Hey guys, Paul D'Souza here from Extron, wanting to talk to you about logistics, the supply chain challenges that are impacting all of us today. So I might do a series of these, but today I want to talk to you about your getting out of China plan. Is it time to get out of China? Is it time to reconsider getting into China, right? If you're a startup. I want to speak to you about in both situations because in this marketplace, one really needs to be clear about why, and there may be cases where it may be appropriate, but why are you in China and at what level are you in China? When securing components for your product, when designing your manufacturing strategy, you might want to reconsider the dynamics when inbound freight is rocking at $20,000 a container, which is 10x what it was a few years ago. That with the Trump tariffs that came into play, the tariffs on product from China anymore, it really changes the value of being in China, right? And then you take the risks related to IP protection. It doesn't make sense for most cases. So let's have a conversation. We have alternatives by manufacturing here in the US or North America, taking advantage of NAFTA, the new NAFTA, the USMCA with Mexico and Canada, and finding a solution that would make sense for you because you want to build resilience into your supply chain strategies. So we've got various programs, various levers that we can pull to help you come up with a solution that drops costs, increases flexibility, builds resilience into your supply chain, and makes sense in today's market. Looking forward to having a conversation with you. Here to help. Thank you. Bye-bye.